Hello guys, how you doing? And welcome back to video 2 of our trading view breakdown. And we're going to be looking into what candlesticks are, what they represent, and the time frames. Probably won't be too long a video, but hopefully packed with information. That's what we want. Okay, so at this point, we should have our trading view and our chart looking all pretty and customized the way we like it, nice and easy on the eyes. Got our toolbar set up, our favorites, really for the strategy, and we've got our time frames customized a bit. And then the only thing we should have on our screen are these lines here. This is the data of the euro-US dollar. And these lines here are called candlesticks. You got two types of candlesticks. You got ones that are going down, which I have as purple, which is also known as going short, also known as bearish, also known as supply candle. Okay, so when there's more supply in the market, going down, or more selling, means that people are selling more. And we also have green candles, which are going up, also known as going long, also known as bullish. These are the bulls, also known as demand candle. And yeah, this is buying. People are buying. When we want to go long, we want to back demand, we will be buying. Buying low, selling high. When we want to go short or back supply, we want to be selling with sellers and buying low. Okay, buy low, sell high, buy low. Right, anyway, let's get into the actual candlestick itself then. So candlestick here, we'll get into what it's representing. So this whole candlestick here is representing one day, because we've got D up here on our time interval. D, day, is representing one day of price action. Right? If we go to the candle before it, it's representing the previous day, 20th of October. See that? Kind of touched on this already a little bit on the previous video. So see how there, 21st of October, candle behind it, 20th of October, candle behind it, 19th of October, candle behind it, 18th of October. See what I mean? And then if we go to weekly, W for week, each candle here, see how the chart's changed a little bit? It's because now each candle is representing 1 week of price action. So this candle here shows the date of the beginning of the week, so Monday the 17th of October. Candle before, hover over that, Monday the 10th of October, 3rd of October. Know what I mean? For a month. You got it. Every candle we hover over here now represents 1 month of price action. In August, July, June, you can go right back to 1st of February 1971. That's pretty good. I thought it said basic, and it had 7 years of historical data. Must have changed it. Pretty awesome, how TradingView brokers can provide us with this data. Nowadays, it's telling us exactly how euro-US dollar and any other pair in commodities and stocks move. Very up to date. It can take us right down. We're here. This is to the 1 minute, but it doesn't even go down to the 1 second. No. So now every candle here represents 1 minute of price action. Get down at the bottom there. Let's get that down at the bottom. It's like 21:57 on the 21st of October, 21:56. Cool. Okay, so I think that explains on time intervals when we've picked between. That's now showing daily data. Okay, now let's go into the actual candlestick itself and what information it's giving us. Okay, so they all look pretty different, And the candlestick has 4 parts to it. And this is where these values up here come in handy. So you have the open of the candle, high, low, close. Right? Now the open is, you got the body of the candle, funky bit, then these thin lines called the wicks, then the open would be the base of the candle, of the body. Right, because this is a demand candle, it opened low, and there was more demand in the market than supply that day. The price went up, it would have closed up here. Right, so it opens base, close, the top of the body. Right, so if it's supply, because there'll be more supply that day, it's a purple candle, the open will be the top of the body, the close will be the bottom of the body. You know what I mean? And we can double check that, get our horizontal ray out, click on that. Show you a little trick here as well. If you hold down control, it tells you like magnet mode is on. Now I can try and get my eye pinpoint there, but I might be a bit off. But if I hold it and control, it magnets to the nearest thing I'm hovering over, which in this case is the base of the demand candle. So right, so now if I hover over this candle, whatever candle I hover over, it's going to show me the information of that candle up here. I'm going to hover over this one. It's telling me that the open for the euro US dollar on Friday the 21st, 2022, price opened at 0.97815. See how that links with that one? I was looking over here, it links with that. 0.97815. Cool. Now if we hover over the top of the body, bullish, control, magnet onto it, the body, top of the body, is the close of the day. This is the price of the euro US dollar closed on the 21st of October. Hover over it, looking at C here, we want this to match up with this one. 0.98565, 0.98565. Cool. Okay, so the body is the open, close, supply, open, close. I've got this marked out on the pretty picture what comes with this video to reference to. So yeah, and then we got the wicks. And there's always bottom of the wicks, doesn't matter which candle, supply or demand. The bottom of the wick is always the lowest that price went to on that day. Alright, so again I'll hover over it, magnet, hover over this, we're looking at L, 0.97047, 0.97047. Okay, so during this day, price did come down to this price, and actually closed up here. And then last but not least, go to the very top of the wick, is the high that price went to that day. Hover over the candle, there's the H for high, 0.98692, 0.98692. And this is the same for every single candle on every time frame. It will tell you this information. Hover over this candle, tells us the information there. We go to the 4 hour. No. Hover over this candle. You know what I mean? I think you get that. So these candles are telling us information of how price is kind of opened, played around with during that day or hour, and where it's closed. And this is where time frames are really cool. This is where we use a lot of the time frames. This is a good example here. Let's say we select the high, this 4 hour candle here, and we select the low. These come out different, you can customize them. Get into teaching about customizing as well. Now you can change your style to yellow, change to that line, just like a blue dotted line. Yeah, you can add text to it. Text, I put it on the top of the line, the center. Cool. Put this one here. Text, low, bottom, center. Cool. Okay, so we've got this 4 hour candle marked out, and what we can see on the 4 hour is that price opened at 0.97553, played around for 4 hours, and it actually closed very close to that price as well. It closed at 0.97572. That's a 4-hour candle. But what's happened there? You can see it's just opened and closed around the same price. So with these marked, let's go down to 15 minutes. This will be it here. This is the high and the low. So when we go down time frame, it gives us more information on that candle. Each candle here is telling us more information as well. But now we've gone down, we can see that on that 4-hour, where it actually probably opened around here, right there, I reckon. There's a way to actually get the exact 10 to 2. It's 10 o'clock. That's around the open. That's the 2 o'clock. Now I'm looking down at the screen here just to get the time. On the 4-hour, what candle was that? It started at 10 a.m. The next candle started at 2 p.m. It's like 10 till 2. I'm just marking out where 10 and 2 are. 15 minutes, around there. We can see, that's our entry. Played around 4 hours, and it closed the day over here. So these moves here are the wicks, 4-hour. So when we go down the time frame, we can see that opening and closed around the same price, but during that 4 hours, there's more supply in the market, and more recently, demand seemed to have its say, and it's currently in control. Okay, so it just gives us a bit more information, and that's pretty much the strategy. That's it, done. No, it's getting information through what these candlesticks are telling us, and there's a way we kind of mark up the charts to help us identify the strength and weaker points on these kind of areas, and helps us identify where to enter and exit the market. But I think that'll do on that video. Candlesticks breakdown, open, high, low, close, time frames. Time frames are information, and in the next video we'll get stuck into. There is a lot to TradingView, or a great deal, but it's just stuff that will very much just be easier to pick up as we go along. Just like little things like this, how to set up our tools, and when we use parts of the strategy and what tools we use, we'll learn how to set them up as we go along, how we create object trees, folders, and how to hide stuff and all that jazz, and go back and bar replay and data. So we're going to be learning as we go along, but that is a pretty basic understanding to start off with. So the next video will be starting on the actual strategy on our edge itself. We'll be talking about ranges and how we identify a range. What is a range? So look forward to that. Badger. Lovely. All right, guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.